This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm delighted to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to jam together on 5 different songs, you, me, and the band. It's going to be super fun. With these songs, we get to work on G minor, which is the newer focus chord of the lesson series right now, and we get to use some other chords that we've learned previously as well. It's going to be great. This video does accompany Lesson 12 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In that book, we're going to be starting on page 75. We'll be on pages 75 and 77, playing songs 13, 14, 17, 18, and 19. Okay, so we'll just dive in here with a little bit of a review. I'm not going to go over the G minor chord. I went over it in the last video, so if you need help with the G minor and you haven't seen that video, you can check it out. I went over both what I have up here on the board and a couple simplified ways to play it as well. So if you need a simplified way, you're going to want to check out that video. But we're just going to be jamming here. With each of these songs, they're going to happen at 2 different tempos. So we'll start at a slower tempo and then go to faster tempo. So you got each one of those that you can practice with. There's 2 different strumming patterns that we're going to use, and we're familiar with both. So we've got down, down, up, up, down, up. That's one of the strumming patterns that we use frequently for 4/4 time. And the other one is down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So we're going to be using both of those. Now you'll see right there on the page which one is to be used with each song. And they'll match the groove that's being used for those songs as we're jamming, you, me, and the band. One little note there. With number 19, there's going to be places where there's 2 chords per bar. And we're using the down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern for that one. You've got lots of different options when we have 2 chords per bar, as we've learned previously. With this particular song, it works really well to use the first half of that strumming pattern, the down, down, up, part twice. So once for each of those chords. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Or do the down, down, up, down, up, down, up strumming pattern in those bars. And you can actually switch it around if you'd like to. The alternative would be to keep that strumming pattern going, the down, down, up, down, up option, but switch at that first up strum from one chord to the next. That option doesn't work as well with the groove of this song and how this song just sort of works with the melody and those chord changes. So I'll be doing the down, down, up, or the down, down, up, down, up, down, up options. So that's just a little heads up as you play through those parts. But everything else is super familiar to us at this point in the lesson series, so we're just going to dive in and jam on these songs together. Okay, awesome. I hope you're having fun with this. As I've mentioned previously, bar chords are really challenging, so just take it in strides, work it a little bit at a time. In the next video, we're going to learn the B minor chord. So we're going to keep working with lesson 12, but we're going to be learning the B minor chord. It's going to be super fun. Take care, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.